Welcome to your favorite list channel, incredible lists made just for you. Ever felt overwhelmed by the mountains of stuff you have at home? You're not alone. Today, we're embarking on a journey to reclaim our spaces and our peace of mind. Tip 1. Start with one area. Whether it's a drawer or a shelf, small victories lead to big changes. Imagine the satisfaction of a perfectly organized drawer, every item in its place. Tip 2. The box method. Keep, donate, or toss. Use boxes to decide the fate of your items. Picture your home only filled with things you truly love and use. Tip 3. Dream a little. What does your ideal room look like? Keep this vision in mind to motivate your decluttering journey. Visuals of clean, serene spaces flash on screen. Tip 4. The one in, one out rule. Every new item means saying goodbye to another. This simple swap ensures your space remains clutter-free. What video you want to see next? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more. Tip 5. Embrace the digital. From documents to photos, the digital world is spacious and infinite. Watch as a cluttered desk becomes clean with digital storage solutions. Tip 6. Turn decluttering into a game. Set a timer, play your favorite tunes, and see how much you can clear out. The process should be as joyful as the results. Tip 7. Hold each item and ask, does this spark joy? If not, thank it for its service and let it go. This mindful approach ensures you're surrounded by positivity. Tip 8. Make it a habit. Dedicate a few minutes each day to maintaining your decluttered paradise. A home that breathes is a home where you can thrive. And there you have it. 8 transformative tips to declutter your house. Which tip are you excited to try? Share your thoughts or your own decluttering victories in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to create spaces that inspire us.